Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last time on Instagram, I asked you guys what design should I do for this pretty purple shade. You guys sent in many answers, and I want to thank you guys for all of your awesome ideas. And I chose the macaron design. This is the idea of Gal's ZM27 on Instagram. In today's freehand tutorial of macarons, I'm using pastel shades of nail polishes and I'm painting a circle-like shape but not too round. Then I'm doing two more shapes like this with different pastel colors. If it turned out to be opaque, then there's no need to apply another coat. Then I'm painting a white line in the middle. Then for the details, I'm applying a shade darker to the pastel shade near the two sides of the white line. After letting it dry, I'm applying top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe for more videos just like this. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!